We're out on a job site today. We've just installed the first Perma-Column of this project. We've got 2 posts going in here. It's your regular 10 by 14 deck. So we've got this first one set. It was super simple. Now that the inspectors approved the holes, we can put this in the ground, start building right away. This one right here is prep for our next hole. We're going to go ahead and get this installed, and we'll be able to start building this afternoon. The main reason we love to work with this product is we actually get to build on it same day. There's no waiting for the concrete to set up or any type of mixing concrete or anything like that. You put it in the ground, you backfill it, you start building, and we know this product's going to last forever, and that's why we use it. The other reason, it's ICC certified, so the inspectors really love it too. He comes out, they say we're using these, they know right away that we're building with a lifetime foundation product, and it's a win-win for both the homeowner, the builder, and the inspector. Everybody wins.